Hey all, this is Tansiha. Welcome to TI Solutions. As a Zoho partner, we also provide a complimentary 30-minute consultation on Zoho Zakya support where we help you set up and streamline your retail operations. So today in this video, we will guide you how to create invoice in POS. Before we start, make sure you are logged into Zakya. Your POS rule has invoice permissions and the items you sell are already created in the item list. So let's check how to create invoices under POS. So you can scan or type the item name over here to choose the items. There are actually multiple methods like you can search and select, then you can scan the barcode, or you can type the SKU and choose the item, etc. So here I am just typing an item and I am also providing the SKU and choosing one. So here I have selected two items. Then I have to choose the customer, create the customer name. So if the customer exists, then the customer name and mobile number will be listing over here. And if you want to add new customer, if the customer does not belong to this list, then click on add new customer, provide the customer name and mobile number. See, so this is how you can choose the customer. Once you choose the customer, if you have multiple salespersons added, you can choose the salesperson from the list. Currently I haven't added in anyone. Then you can see the summary, the sales summary, subtotal, everything is listing, and you can choose the multiple methods of payments. Like you can choose whether you are receiving the amount through the mode of cash or card or UPI or the split ups. Here I am choosing the split ups. So for example, I am receiving 1,800 as cash. I am recording those payment. Then rest 60 I am receiving through UPI. So here you can see the payment summary. I have received cash 1,800 and UPI 60. So once this is finalized, click on complete sale to generate the invoice. Once you have created, the invoice will be directly printed to the from the connected printer. So this is how to record invoice in POS. Hope you guys understood. See you in the next video. Thank you and have a great day.